Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the Valorant using this shortcut icon. The game is either not launching or it makes your system restart without any kind of error message. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, let's start with the basic troubleshooting steps. So in order to launch the Valorant, do not use this shortcut icon. Instead, you need to open up your riot client, go to your Valorant, and right over here you will find the option of play. Go ahead and hit the play option to launch the Valorant right into your system. Although, if for many users this riot client also is not opening, in that case from this lower right pane, click on this up arrow key and you will find the riot client icon. You need to right click on it and right over here you will find the option of Valorant. Go ahead, click on the option Valorant and this will instantly launch the game and in turn fix out the issue of Valorant is not starting. Although, if this also failed, in next step, you need to open up your Windows security. In Windows security, go to device security and you will find the option of core isolation details. Click on it. Then under memory integrity, if you have turned this option off, you need to turn it on. After turning on the memory integrity, close the Windows security. Now you are ready to launch the Valorant right from the riot client. Launch the riot client, go to Valorant and hit the play option and the game will instantly start and the issue of game is either not starting or makes the system to restart in your system will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.